Hi guys, welcome back. So I wanted to do a Valentine set using some of my leftover press-on nails, and I really want to use these colors. They're so pretty. And maybe we'll use a few stickers and maybe a few gems. And I wanted to use these nails, but I do not have a nail stand. I ordered one on Shein, but who knows when that will get here. So I'm going to try to make my own. This is what I have so far. So hopefully this will work. So this is how I made the first one. I have a few of these beads left over that I found in my junk drawer. So I'm going to put a dot of hot glue there and just stick this in there. And I really need a nail stand because I am using just regular nail polishes and those do take a while to dry. I would use gel polishes, but I don't really have enough colors or the colors that I want. But I do have a lot of nail polishes. And I also don't have that sticky stuff that you put behind nails to stick on the nail stand. I used to have some, but one of my kids threw it away. So I'm going to have to hot glue the nail onto the thumbtack. Hopefully it'll stay. So the little pointy thing from the thumbtack is not letting it stand. It keeps like tilting over. So I think I'm going to have to put another bead on the bottom for it to stand properly. I think I'm also going to have to put a base so it won't fall. So I'm going to use this popsicle stick. It's one of the big popsicle sticks and just glue this down. And these press-ons will come off really easily off the hot glue. Okay, so this is how they're looking like so far. I know it looks so freaking crazy, but this will have to do until my order gets here. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a thumb, and I'm going to do a French tip using this Essie color, and it is called Swing of Things, and I'm going to do it on the thumb and on the pinky nail. So since these are press-on nails, these already have a base color. So all I need to do is do the tip, the French tip. So I'm just going to freehand this. Hopefully it doesn't turn out too bad. Okay, now I'm going to do a second coat. And since it already has a base color, it's so much easier. If you were to start off with the clear press-on, you would probably have to do a base color, wait for that to dry. If you have regular nail polish like I'm using, if you have gel polish, it'll probably be a lot easier, but okay, I'm going to do one more coat and then I'm going to clean up around the edges. Okay, now I'm going to do the pinky. Okay, I think I have to clean this up a little before I do another coat. Okay, and I'm also going to do the pointer finger. Okay, I'm going to do one more coat on this now. And I really wanted to do the color burgundy because I always see like red Valentine's nails or pink and white or pink and red. But I've never seen burgundy. So I really wanted to make this. So on these last two, I'm going to use this color. And it is called Wink Wink. So this nail stand is actually working pretty good. Another design that I wanted to do or set are like, I don't know, I'm thinking like a black nail set, like a black Valentine's nail set. I think that'll be really cool. Acetone just spilled all over the pink paper I just had on here, so now I switched over to this purple one. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this nail. Okay, so now I'm gonna try my best to do a line on the smile line of this French nail. Okay, now I'm just gonna clean up around it. So this is how this nail turned out. Okay, so now I am going to top coat them, and I'm gonna use this top coat. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this hard and add it right here to the middle, and I'm gonna use this nail glue. Now on this nail, I'm not sure if I should use this bow or this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. So on this nail, I want to use a sticker, but I'm not sure which one. I don't know if I should use some of these lips or use one of these roses. Okay, I think I'm gonna use these lips because it has a little hearts on it. Actually, I think I'm gonna use these little roses.